Yeah! Hey, welcome back to the lab. Today we're going to get started on a scratch-built 6L6 single-ended guitar amp. We're going to scratch build a single-end 6L6 amplifier. I'll have a parts list in the description on where you can get all these parts, the chassis, the knobs, everything. So if you want to build one too, we're going to base it loosely off of this Princeton 5E2 schematic, except we're going to use a 6L6 final tube and a 6SL7 for a preamp instead of a 12AX7. Right now I kind of got it laid out how I want to do it. And also we may incorporate this Magic Eye tube. I may put it right here in the center. And as you play the guitar, the tube will open and close. That might be neat. I'm going to use a toroidal power transformer. Just a bridge rectifier in it. No rectifier tubes. I kind of want the top of it to be smooth and just have the transformer and the tubes, and I think the knobs would be better up top instead of down here. And I'm going to put the guitar jack on the front so it won't be bending coming out of it. I may put the switch and the light in the front, and that's it. But I'm going to get it all measured and drilled out, and I'll be right back. Here, I just have it mocked up. I'm going to find the centers on everything, mark it, and drill it out. Okay, now to make the holes for the tube sockets, we got this Greenlee radio chassis punch. 1 3/16 is what you need for these old style. The ceramics is the size is different, so you better check it. But what you do is you drill your hole in your center, place the screw on that, and this will go on the bottom. You need to put a little oil on it. Some oil on there. There you go. It makes a good clean hole. A whole lot better than the saw. There's a piece it cut out. Now I need to mark a hole for the other tube and cut it out. Now we got the holes cut out for the tube sockets, got the holes drilled for the output transformer, and got these little grommets in here for the wires to go through. Now we're going to measure out and drill for our tone and volume control right here. Here it is with all the parts installed. We're going to 3D print a pick holder to cover up the bolt head up top that's holding the power transformer underneath, to cover it up. And here's a backside view. The two Phillip head screws is holding the choke on the other side. The first switch is the negative feedback, and this output for the speakers, and of course your power jack on the end. Here's the schematic, what we've changed from the Princeton. Not much has changed. We're using a 50 UF bypass cap on the first stage of the 6SL7. We use 100 UF on the 6L6 and a 5.6K grid stopper to help with oscillations. And the negative feedback switch is a 3-way switch, so we can select between 22K or 47K or just have it off. In our next video, I'll be building the turret board and wiring the inside of the chassis. And don't forget to check the description if you want a parts list for everything that I bought to build this amplifier with, and you can follow along, build with me. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments and I'll be happy to answer anything I can. And stay tuned for the next video. It'll be coming out soon. Thank you for watching.